This is my biggest fear, or the biggest fear that I had when getting this splitter.
I'm in the Ferrari of the American car. See right here? Super sport, guys. Super sport.
All right, what's up guys? It is finally here, man. As you see from the title of this video, this is my front splitter that I bought for this car. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. I have to take this to a body shop. Let me show you guys real quick how it looks. So looking at this in person, hey, how you doing, neighbor? Looking at this in person, it looks glossy, right? So it's shiny. So I don't know how it'll look on video, but it looks like it's painted, but it's not. So this is a very flat black, and if you look at it in the sun, the finish is sort of rough. You know, it's mostly smooth, but it has a lot of rough areas or scratches on it. As far as the color in the sun, it looks like it's light brown if you really look at it. Yeah, definitely going to get it painted. All right, so if a Camaro is your only car and you need to carry this splitter somewhere like to a body shop to get it painted, fits perfectly fine, man. Hey, let me tell you guys, man, I am really excited to finally have this splitter. This is something I actually should have put on from day one when I got the car. Oh, I'm going, man. This car's take too long. Bye. All right guys, so I am here at the body shop. This is the place right here, Mako. This is literally my first stop of body shops that I'm checking out. Let me go in, show him the splitter, and he's gonna give me a quote. All right guys, so that didn't really go as I planned. The guy told me it is going to be about $250 to go ahead and do the prep and paint. It's my first time getting these sort of prices on things like this, so you guys tell me, is $250 too much? I don't know, but I wanna see if I can get some other prices around, you know, shop around and see if this is the best deal. I just left the second body shop I went to, and they actually quoted me $120. That is a very big difference. Now, before I went there, I did look up reviews online too. The reviews are pretty good. The total with, I guess, like tax and processing fee was like $133 or so. Compared to the other shop, they were telling me that it would take like maybe 2 days possibly, maybe one, but they guarantee by end of the day tomorrow I'll get it back. So better price, estimated faster time, you know, still have good reviews. The choice is obvious, man.
looks like it's going 100 miles per hour.
All right, guys, so it is done. It is down. Oh, man, I've seen videos on this, other videos, and it looks good on video, but if you see it in person, man, it is different. The videos don't do it justice. Oh man, let's see if I can get it coming out. Almost as aggressive as a ZL1 front. I love it. All right, guys, it is the next day and the Camaro and I are back home, and this is my biggest fear, or the biggest fear that I had when getting this splitter. These parking blocks, usually you want to be very, very careful, and I was worried that I would have to be parking you know, a little bit further back, because here in my complex you're not allowed to park backwards. The splitter clears the block very well, actually, so this can even go a little bit lower. So overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this, man. I love looking at this splitter from different angles, you know, especially the side where you could see the winglets. I think that's what they call it. In my opinion, this is something that should have been on every single Camaro SS, man. It just looks like it completes the car. Without it, it looks empty, it looks plain. And I guess that's why the 1LE looks really good. It's just because they, you know, they come from factory already with a splitter. So yeah, this is great splitter. Looks like it's good quality. I'll let you guys know if it falls off or anything. All right. So thank you guys for watching, man, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I'm in the Ferrari of the American car. See right here? Super sport, guys. Super sport.